Alright guys, today we got Logan here with us and we're getting Logan adjusted. You haven't been feeling too good, huh? You've been a little sick, so we're gonna get Logan adjusted because she's not feeling too good. Chiropractic adjustments help boost the immune system, so we're gonna get her all dialed in. You can just feel her body's pretty tense too. You've had a lot of plays too. She's a actress as well, so she's been busy. Okay, nice deep breath for me. Beautiful. Beautiful. One more nice deep breath. Good. Good, good. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit on this side. So you're gonna go on your side, facing me this way. Alright. This one, perfect. Right there. Perfect, easy. That was going early, huh? On your back for me. Alright, so the most important one we're gonna check is the neck. In the neck, there's a lot of important nerves for the immune system, respiratory system. So we're just gonna check and see what we got for her. And you can feel way up top here, that's not too fun. C2 for her. Go right there. Just let that roll towards me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really stuck on that one. It's a big area for lymphatic drainage coming from the sinuses as well. Healthy immune response. Then we got one more right in this mid-neck at C4. That's going to keep that immune system functioning, boost her immune function, get her over this as fast as possible, huh? You were all set.